What's good YouTube? This is Ayush Roy and welcome to my channel, and today I will be giving you 5 tips to take your photography game to the next level. So without any further delay, let's get started. So when I started photography, I was clicking pretty below average pictures, but when I applied these 5 methods on my photography, I saw significant change. So without any further delay, here is tip number 1 for you. Know your settings. Because when you are outside shooting, it's quite obvious that the conditions won't always be in your favor. Maybe there is just too much light and it's making your picture overexposed. So what you can do is, maybe you can turn up your shutter speed a bit. Maybe you can crank down your ISO, or maybe crank up your aperture. That's totally upon you. And you can play around with your settings to get your desired look. So first of all, you need to get your basics right. So here is tip number 2 for you. Think before you shoot. Well, when we start photography, we generally tend to click anything and everything around us, which is okay as a beginner. But if you want to take your photography game to the next level, you need to start thinking a bit more before you shoot. Because the picture is first created inside our head, then we capture it through our camera. So when I started photography, I was clicking pretty below average pictures, but when I started to think a bit more before I clicked the picture, I saw there was a significant change in my photography quality. So whenever you are out shooting, just think a little bit more. It will help you a lot. So here is tip number 3 for you. Attend group photo walks. Well, attending group photo walks just won't help you learn and share your experience with different photographers, but it will also give you a lot of confidence. Well, I remember attending these photo walks organized by Calcutta Instagrammers. Huge shout out to Calcutta Instagrammers. I have learned a lot of things through their photo walks, and the best thing about these photo walks is that you gain a lot of confidence. So next time there is a photo walk around you, just go and pay a visit. It won't do you any harm. And here is tip number 4 for you. Go on solo walks. Well, group photo walks and solo photo walks, these two things are totally different. When you are outside alone shooting pictures, there is no one to distract you. You can concentrate totally on your subject and you can give your 100%. You don't have to worry about catching up to the group or being left behind. So it's just different when you're out shooting alone with the headphones on. So I will totally recommend go out and shoot as much as you can. And it's not necessary that for solo photo walks you have to go to exotic locations for good frames. Maybe it can be in your neighborhood. Just go around, shoot around. There is always something exciting happening. So just go and shoot as much as you can. I saved the best tip for the last. So moving on to tip number 5, which is just believe in yourself. Well, at the end of the day, it all comes down to how much you believe in yourself. Because you will fail. We all do. But you have to keep on trying and believing in yourself. There was a time I remember when I thought photography just was not my cup of tea. But when I started to believe in myself that yes, I can be a good photographer, I saw there was a significant change in myself. Like, after that point, my journey is totally different when I started believing in myself. So just believe that you can do it. So guys, that was 5 tips to take your photography game to the next level. So if you liked and enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I'll be back next week. So stay tuned. Thank you.